Hi, now I will create email address from here, email accounts. I will create a new one. Click on create. Create suppose contact@parafindev.com. Give any password here. Generate. I copy this and create. So account has been created successfully. We can check our email from here, and this is our webmail login. Open with any email client. So there is no email comes here. Okay, that is not a problem. Normally SMTP server becomes this server, so I use this as SMTP and use email address and password for other information.